Welcome to the class made from home. We are looking at place value today. What is place value? This is the value a number has because of its position or place in a given set of numbers. You know, there are times some numbers are made up of a digit, more than one digit, two digits, three digits, and so on and so forth. Where we have these numbers, each of them in a set of numbers, they have their place and they also have their values. Let's look at the number 135. The number 135 is made up of three different numbers that has their own values. We need to recognize their place to know their values. Let's illustrate this. $135. What we are saying is these three numbers have each of them has a value. This number is made up of 135 is made up of three numbers, and these three numbers are not just 135. Just like you will say 135, you have to bring these three numbers out as 100, 30, These are the three numbers that made up 135. Let's take our minds back to 100 tens and units. Or maybe you're already used to tens and units. But when we have three sets of numbers, it means they are in 100 tens and units. Now 5 is under the ones or units. 3 is under tens. And this 1 is under the 100. So the place of 1 in 135 is in the hundreds. The place of 3 in 135 is in the tens. And the place of 5 in 135 is in the units or in the ones. Now let's talk about their values. Because 1 is in the hundreds, its value is 100. Because 3 is in the tens, its value is in the tens, is 30. Because 5 is in the units, its value is 5. Let's look at another number. 222. These three numbers made up 222, but each of them have their different values. If you will bring this under 100 tens and units, it will translate to this, and this. Now, what is the value? What is the place of 2 here? The place of these 2 is in the hundreds. But what about its value? Its value is 200 because it's in the place of 100. The value of these 2 is in tens. So, it's written as 2 tens. The value of this unit is 2 because it is in the unit place. Now, remember that 200 means 100. This 100 is under 100, so they are all 200. 2 tens is also Sorry, you have to put your plus sign there. Then 2 units or 2 ones is 1 in 2 places. So in a nutshell, the place value of a number is the value it has because of its position. This 2 is equal to 200 because it's in the 100th place. This 1 is 100 because it's in the 100th place. This 3 is 30 because it's in the 10th place. What happens if we have, for example, 54? This will be tens and units. 5 is under the tens, therefore its value will be 5 tens, which is 50. 4 is under the units, so its value will be 4. That is why it is called 54. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.